How to set custom notification sound on iPhone. Start by opening the GarageBand application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the top left corner and tap on the plus icon as shown. You have to use the microphone to record your voice or any sound. Now, go to the top panel again and tap on the icon as shown. After that, go to the top right corner and tap on the loop icon. Then, go to the Files section. Over here, tap on Browse Items from the Files app below. Select the audio file you want from here to import it. Now, touch and hold the file to drag it to Tracks view. Over here, you can manage and edit the track length as you like. After that, go to the top left corner and tap on the arrow. Then, go to My Songs. Wait for it to upload to your GarageBand folder. Once done, tap and hold the file and select Share. From here, choose Ringtone to create a custom ringtone using this sound. Then, name the song Ringtone and tap on Export at the top right corner. Tap on OK. After that, go back and open up the Settings app. Scroll down and go to Notifications. Over here, scroll down and tap on Mail. Then, go to Sounds. Scroll down to the Ringtone section at the end and select the ringtone you just made. Following these steps, you can easily set custom notification sound on iPhone.